Welcome to Paper Cut Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how to do a mountain panel fold. So this is a 4 1/4 by 11 and it is scored at 1 inch, 2 inches, and 6.5 inches, but this is only along the outside. The inside is scored at 5.5 inches. There are 2 cuts that run parallel on the long edge. This is 1 inch from one of the short edges in and starts at the 1 inch mark and goes to 6.5 inches on both sides, about an inch in on either side. And then you go ahead and you can see how I folded these. It makes a mountain fold, so you want to have your mountain and valley and mountain folds. For these new sunflower stamps, I'm going to use my blends to color these in. Now I always start with the lighter color and work my way into the darker to create shading, and then I'll go over again with the lighter to blend them all in together. And I may add some extra colors depending on the look I'm looking for, but normally I just stick with the 2 light and dark set of colors. Now I have all my pieces colored and they're all die cut out with the matching set. I'm going to attach them. I'm going to use snail since I still have it, but it is discontinued. They now have a Stampin' Seal and a Stampin' Seal Plus. I do have one, but I want to run out my snail first. And I'm just attaching these along the bottom as I had previously kind of laid out. And I just go ahead and attach them all, and that's pretty much the entire card. Most of it was coloring. And there's my finished card. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Happy stamping!